Okay, so when you launch the UI for the first time, and really you don't even need to run it, you can close it. But if you do run it, what it's going to do is it's going to go, you really don't need this window, but it's going to say successfully started schedule manager because it found that it was not running. Right, and schedule manager kind of watchdogs the webhook checker, and it goes, oh, the webhook checker is also not running, let me start that, and then it starts up the webhook checker for you. Right, and so if like I said, the webhook checker fails on you for some reason, I don't know, we'll pretend like it just died right there for whatever reason. There you can see it found it. It restarted it. Let's turn our client on. Okay, nothing's playing. Now here are some of the other cool things that I have added. In your webhook settings now, if you're using the Hue integration, actually I lied, it's in user settings. Now you can set this voice command notification light, and what that does is when you're using always listening mode and you have pre-mute on, instead of muting, it will change whatever light or light group you specify. Green when it's listening, orange when it's processing and talking, and blue when you tell it to stop listening, so that it's no longer listening at all. The other thing that was added as part of that, and watch this terminal here for the action, and you'll see a little pop-up also. Computer, what's on TV?
Nothing is currently playing on game PC.
Right, so you can see when it's listening, when it's talking. Computer, stop listening.
Goodbye.
Right, and that'll actually eventually close itself too. Though you can close it, it's not going to affect anything. I'll come back to the voice commands because we souped that up quite a bit. We'll try to keep this video from being terribly long. We'll probably fail in that endeavor, but whatever. So I've shown you this before, queue time, right? It'll show you basically what's going to play, what's up next, where it's going to be in the clock. We've added throughout many sections. Now, if you're looking at, say, a TV show, this queue add button, right? This will add it to your queue. Oh, it's got to be, I know what that is, I'll fix that. Whatever. Okay, so that's a bug. We'll pretend like it added it to the queue. That would normally add it to the queue. You can add it to a block, add it as a favorite. But what we also added is this more options button. And really right now what that is show me the seasons. Let me dive deeper into the seasons, and you can see the episodes and the information about it. You want to get back to the main show, you can do that with that button. There's also a way to get back to the season with the seasons button. Right, so you have two ways to get around there, and if you want to see the main details, you show less options. That's what that's all about. Now, one thing that we also added in with that is we noticed some shows, like say Batman, if you look at season 2 for example, it has something like 60 episodes in it, and if we put that all on one page, it would quickly get off the screen. So we gave you this ability to page between multiple episodes there. And of course, you can get back to the seasons page. And that's what happens when it has, not a full page worth. And then back to TV shows. We also fixed the recommended. I don't know if you remember in one of the video we tried to show it and it spazzed out. There he goes, it works again. The posters are clickable buttons to get you to the details for that item. And then for TV shows, click on one of those. Whatever, it works fine. Brooklyn Nine-Nine. You can see it loops you right back in. Right? Good to go. So now you got that going for you. Let's go ahead and we will turn webhook checking on. You notice it did a failback. We hit it right before a check. The listener also sort of part of its watchdog of the webhook listener. In a condition like this where you start webhook checking or process listening, because we also have process listener as an option if you don't want to use webhook checking, but we'll come to that in another video. You can flip between them. When that fails, the schedule manager has a mechanism to watch that and account for that. It's sort of a MacGyver, keeps you going. Because really, you should never have to interact with the UI or the voice commands. It's designed to run, like I mentioned in pretty much every video, independent of you. Do everything for you once you set it and forget it. So anyway, now it's playing Killjoys. Hopefully that is muted. Alright, good. Now let's go back to some of our voice commands here. Computer, what's on TV?
Now playing Killjoys. Season 1, Episode 1, Bagarag.
Computer, tell me about the weather, Des Moines, Iowa. It's not as quick as, say,
Results received.
some of the
You
others.
can ask for the following
gives you a
types
lot
to
more.
get more information on the weather Des Moines, Iowa. Latest recorded weather for Des Moines, Iowa. Weather forecast for Des Moines, Iowa. Weather history and forecast. Historical
That's a lie, you can
temperatures
ignore
for
that
June the
closing.
12th.
It
Weather
just hasn't got a
station
response in a while,
information.
so it's like, oh, it must be not listening.
Weather station comparisons.
Computer, search results, weather forecast.
Results for weather forecast.
Dive deeper into your search
Between
results.
62 degrees Fahrenheit and 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Clear, all night.
Computer, tell me about Deadpool.
Results received. You can ask for the following types to get more information on Deadpool. Basic information. Works featuring Deadpool.
Computer, search results, basic information.
Results for basic information. Alternate names: Wade Wiston Wilson, Jack the McWithermouth, Chiusake Tom Cruise. Species: human. Gender: male. Place of birth: Canada. Notable places: Canada, Germany, United States, Morocco, Japan.
Computer, wiki, lookup, Wade Wilson, Deadpool.
B. Deadpool, Wade Wiston Wilson, is a fictional character appearing in American comic books published his proclivity for breaking the fourth wall, a literary device used by the writers for humorous effect and running gags.
That's right, I typed you up, Alexa. Computer, tell me about Deadwood, South Dakota.
Results received. You can ask for the following types to get more information on Deadwood, South Dakota. Populations. Location. Administrative regions. Current local time. Current weather. Demographics. Educational attainment. Income statistics. Economic properties. Other indicators. Nearby cities. Nearby airport. Nearby hospital.
Computer search results population.
Results for population. City population 1264 people, 2016 estimate. Metro area population 2431 2 people, Spifish metro area, country rank, 884th, 2011 estimate.
Computer search results demographics.
Results for demographics. Race white, 93.1% American Indian / Alaska Native, 2.9% Black / African American, 1.4%. Hispanic origin 4.5%. U.S. citizens 98.4%.
Computer search results entertainment.
Results for entertainment.
Computer search results hospital.
Results for hospital. Lead Deadwood Regional Hospital CAH 0.8 miles south-southwest. Straight line distances between city center and hospital.
Computer do math 42 times 8,852,000.
3360-35784.
Computer stop listening.
Goodbye.
Oh, I should show you actually a couple other things it can do that are kind of handy. Computer minimize window.
Done.
Computer maximize window.
Done.
Computer stop listening. So there you go. That's a demo of how we souped up the voice commands quite a bit. One thing to mention is the tell me about, like, do math, that kind of stuff. That uses wolfram API. And so there is a way for you to put in your own API key so that you can unlock that. The other part, the wiki lookup, that you don't need an API key. It's totally free. So yeah, we just threw that in there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one.